Hi there, movie beloved with soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito naman po sa inyo lagi ng pangalan sinusuybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating po reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this ating TikTok account, pakifollow na rin po, Renzo Tarot 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo dito sa legit na TikTok account ko. Kapag may nag-message po sa inyo, hindi po ako yan. Hindi po ako yung mag-message to offer a private reading. Ginagaya po yung ating profile pictures, yung nag-re-upload ng videos, doble ingat po kayo. Kayo lang po ang mag-message sa akin para mag-avail ng private reading. Alright, ulitin ko. This is for you, Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Huwag nating patagalin pa. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give us 10 cards. 2, 3, 7 cards, Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. For Cancer, last 5 cards for you, Cancer, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides. Last 4 cards, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 7, 8, last 2 cards, please. 9, 10. Alright. Sige. Cancer, your 10 cards are now complete. So, let's begin with your first card, which is the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is about new beginning. Alright, siguro, may mga Cancer dyan na it's been a long time in struggle. It's been a long time na talaga may mga bagay kayong nilaban na kahit siguro yung iba, sinabihin na kayo na i-give up mo na yan. Alright, so, ibig sabihin with the Ace of Swords here, they're telling you na wala na patutunguhan yan, Cancer. Bakit mo pa nilalaban yan? Cancer, you are one of the luckiest zodiac signs until October. Expect blessings, good news. Parang milagro nga itong mga darating na blessings sa'yo kasi parang feeling mo wala nang growth for a long time yung buhay mo. The Ace of Swords here, new beginning is waiting for you. I-claim mo na ito. There will be good news. The days ahead na parating sa'yo. Balikan niyo yung video na to kapag dumating na yung good news na yan. With the Jupiter in Cancer, nung simula ng June 2, pumasok si Jupiter sa inyo. Jupiter is the planet of wealth, abundance, expansion. So, walang choice. There's no reason para hindi kayo i-bless or anihin ang abundance in these upcoming months ahead for you. Emperor. So, wishes being granted, prayers being answered. Sabi ko nga, Cancer, if you are at the point of giving up in your life, believe me, this will be a big turnaround. Magugulat ka. Wow. What a miracle. What a big surprise. With the Emperor card, it signifies God, the universe. Katuparan, sagot ng iyong mga panalangin, Cancer. So, claim mo na ito. Grabe. There will be communication. If you're waiting for a result of something, check your email in the upcoming days. Abangan ng ang calls, messages, because there will be good news upcoming for you. Resulta, balita, tungkol sa isang bagay na in-applyan mo, pre-process mo, inaantay mo. Cancer, congratulations in advance, believe me. Alright, so with the 8 of Wands here, you are bound for success. After all, sa haba-haba ng struggle sa pinagdaanan mo, deserve mo to. Judgment. Makakaroon na talaga ng resulta. May makakapasa, may matatanggap sa trabaho, may mapopromote, may ma-approve ang visa, lilipat ng lugar, lilipat ng ibang bansa, everything. Judgment, prompt result, mabilis na resulta. Resulta na mas mauuna pa kaysa dun sa in-expect mo na date. Resulta na mas mapapaaga kaysa sa in-expect mo na timeline. With a judgment card, believe me. Sabi ko, communication, meron talagang resulta na parating. Meron talagang magandang balita na parating for you, Cancer. All you just need to do, claim ito, manifest ito, It's just a matter of days and weeks ahead. Believe me, Cancer. You are going to celebrate. Maniwala ka sa. Balikan niyo yung video na to. Hinahamon ko kayo. Mm. There will be movement. Pero chart carrier, may mga Cancer dyan na ma-approve yung visa. May mga Cancer dyan na ma-approve yung travel leave. Mangingibang bansa. Magta-travel. May mga Cancer dyan na ma-promote. Okay? Chariot is about movement. Right? So, a certain situation, kung stagnant ka man for a long time, walang growth, walang nangyayaring paglago sa buhay mo now. With the Chariot card here, believe me, aarangkada, acceleration, non-stop na to, walang makakapigil sa inyo, Cancer. Okay? So, you are blessed. Believe me, kabayaran ito na napakatagal na panahon na talagang naapektuhan kayo, nalungkot kayo, nasaktan kayo, kasi feeling nyo wala na talagang growth or progress na mangyari sa buhay nyo. And believe me, sabi ko, days and weeks lang to. I-claim mo na ito, Cancer. Maghanda ka na. Ihanda mo na yung mga kakatayin mo dyan na dapat katayin. Blow out. With a chart card. Tama? 5 baraha, ang gaganda, sunod-sunod. Before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa second row, Cancer, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa kayo nakasubscribe at nagustuhan niyo po, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, nag-reply po ako sa mga comments. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, pakifollow na rin po. Renzo Taro 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo lang po mag-message sa akin dito sa legit na account na ito. Wala pong iba. Kapag may nag-message po sa inyo, gamit ang mukha ko, profile picture, gamit ang pangalan ko, gamit ang videos ko, hindi po ako yan. Scammer po yan. Marami na pong nabiktima. Mag-doble ingat po kayo. Cancer, let's continue. Pang-anim mong baraha is the 5 of Swords. Alright. So, kung may mga pagdududa ka pa, kung may mga agam-agam ka pa, may takot ka pa, may overthinking ka pa, this is the best time, Cancer, to cut all them off. Tanggalin na, ipanatag na yung loob because it's just a matter na kumbaga nasa waiting season ka na lang. Ilang araw na lang, ilang linggo na lang. Makakamtan mo na. But you need to prepare yourself first by cleansing, by cleaning your heart and mind with the baggages, with the doubts, with the frustrations, with the painful experiences that you keep on holding on na nagpapabigat sa sitwasyon mo. Tanggalin mo yan kasi blockage yan dito sa manifestation mo. Andyan na. Nakabox na ang blessings. I-deliver na sa'yo. Okay? Tanggapin mo siya ng buong puso na malinis ang puso at isipan na walang hadlang. Alright, with the 5 of Swords here, so tanggalin mo yan. Pampito, 7 of Pentacles. I know one of the reason why you've been fighting for this thing. Bakit nilaban mo to at feeling mo talagang hindi na siya dapat kalaban-laban. I know kung bakit itong mga prayers and manifestations na ibibigay sa'yo ay talaga matagal mong pinagdasal o pinangarap. It's because the main reason, of course, is for your stability in terms of your finances. Pera. Paglago ng kaperahan kasi drain na drain talaga. Baon. Talagang negative yung kaperahan dito, Cancer. And you really want to settle all of these things na may kinalaman sa pera. Gusto nyo makahanap ng trabaho na mas maganda para mabayaran yung mga utang, makabili ng property, you know, everything para kahit paano masettle yung isipan niya regardless of money. All in all, bottom line of all these things na gusto mo mangyari ay stability about money because you're really worried about your finances. Gusto mo na makahawak ng pera na sa sarili mo. Gusto mo naman yung pera ay lumago. Maparami ito para makatulong ka din. Also, alright, so Cancer, worry no more. Okay? Because after all of these blessings na marireceive mo, there will be big improvement and progress about money matters. Sabi ko nga. Actually, grabe yung pagtitipid mo eh. Actually, grabe yung pagdisiplina mo sa sarili mo na huwag masyadong mag-ano ng pera. Kasi aside from medyo mabagal yung progress, wala kang trabaho, parang, you know, everything na ginagawa mo ay hindi umaayon sa'yo. Tapos, syempre, puro palabas ang pera. That's why, nakita ko dito, you're doing your best to save money. And this is also a signal or a sign for you to continue that thing. Dumating man itong lahat ng blessings for you, Cancer, hindi magbabago yung mindset mo about money. Still, take your money finances seriously, wag kang ubos baya dahil feeling mo, natanggap ako sa trabaho, maganda na yung sahod ko. Okay? Yes, walang masama. I-treat ang sarili. Baka makalimutan mo, ubos biyaya ka naman. Di, balik ka na naman sa, restart na naman. Okay? Say, do your best to track your finances. Do your best to manage your finances well. Alright? Kasi hindi araw-araw ay Pasko para sa Cancer. 9 card, Fool. Masasabi mo dito na worth it ang pag-take mo ng risk. Worth it ang paglaban mo sa bagay na to. Kasi darating ito, ibibigay ito sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, araw at weeks na lang ang bibilangin mo dito. With a Fool card here, tama yung desisyon mo na nilaban mo. Tama yung desisyon mo despite of all the negativities, despite sa mga opinion ibang tao, hindi ka nang papekto, talagang sumubok ka, sumugal ka, at talagang nilaban mo. And with this Fool card, masasabi mo sarili mo na worth it pala ang paghihintay, worth it pala yung pag-risk ko, lakas ng loob ko para pagpatuloy ito kahit ang daming, circumstances na hindi, o mga sitwasyon na hindi pumupor sa akin. But now, okay? So with the Fool card here, worth it ang lahat para sa Cancer. 10th and last card, so tapusin natin to with the Hangman. Napakalinaw ng cards natin. Ito yung previous situation mo. Stagnant, mabagal, walang growth, nakabitin, nakahang, nakatenga, walang progress na nangyayari, gusto mo na mag-give up kasi you are questioning everything, bakit ganito nangyayari. But, with the Chariot card, tapos na to, tapos na yung pagkatenga mo, tapos na yung slow progress because the Chariot is here. Arangkada ng buhay mo, tuloy-tuloy na, full steam ahead. Wala nang makakapigil dito sa transformation, sa blessings na marireceive mo, Cancer. This is a reward for all the sacrifices, for all the patience and hard work that you did for a long time. Sa mga betrayal, sa mga sakit na salita na receive mo, na narinig mo sa mga tao na akala mo ay pagtatanggol ka pa, but sila pa ang nag-chat sa'yo. But all in all, disregard mo na yon. Focus ka dito sa napakalaking good news, napakalaking blessings na parating para sa iyo, which you truly deserve because you're one of a kind. Your heart is very sincere. Okay? You have a big dreams and a big reward will be given to you by the universe. You truly deserve all of these blessings, Cancer. There's no point of questioning. Walang pwedeng mag-question sa'yo kapag mag-receive mo na ito. Blessings na ito, good news na ito. It's because sabi ko nga, you're one of a kind, Cancer. Thank you so much. That was a very beautiful reading. I'm wishing you all the best in life. I'm praying and hoping na maraming nasa sign ng Cancer ang makaparoon itong reading natin ngayon. Maraming salamat mga Cancer kong soulmates sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal, sa inyong laging panonood at laging paabang. Nasaan man kayo naroon at mga ginagawa niyo. Hanggang susunod nating pagkikita, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.